Students, in the first video we have learned about a general information of polynomial. In this video we are going to get the detailed knowledge about the degree of polynomial. In the polynomial 2x raised to 7 minus 5x plus 9, which is the highest power of variable? The highest power is 7. In case of polynomial in one variable, the highest power of variable is called as the degree of polynomial. Therefore, the degree of given polynomial 2x raised to 7 plus minus 5x plus 9 is What is the degree of polynomial 10? Yes, as we have discussed in the first video about the algebraic expression 6, here also 10 can be written as 10 into 1, that is 10 into x raised to 0. Therefore, the degree of polynomial 10 is 0. Just like 10, degree of any non-zero constant polynomial is 0. Degree of 0 polynomial is not defined. The highest sum of powers of variable in each term of the polynomial is known as the degree of polynomial. Before this, we have learned about how to calculate the degree of polynomial with one variable. Now, if we have more than one variable, then the highest sum of the powers of the variables in each term of polynomials are known as the degree of polynomials. Let's see one example. 3m cube n 6 plus 7m square n raised to 3 minus mn is a polynomial in a two variable m and n. The degree of polynomial is 9 as the sum of powers, that is 3 plus 6 is 9, 2 plus 3 is 5 and 1 plus 1 is 2, and the highest sum is 9. Therefore, the degree of polynomial in this equation is 9. In this video, we are going to see the types of polynomial based upon the degree. As the polynomials are divided based upon the variables, similarly, we can find the types of polynomials based upon the degree in one variable. If the degree of polynomial is 1, then it is denoted as linear polynomial, and standard form of the linear polynomial is ax plus b. If degree of polynomial is 2, then it is denoted as quadratic polynomial. And the standard form of quadratic polynomial we have learned, that is ax square plus bx plus c. If the degree of polynomial is 3, then it is denoted as cubic polynomial. And standard form of cubic polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Here a, b, c, d are the coefficients. And in each example or in each form, a is not equal to 0. Standard form of the polynomial. Over here you can see the polynomial of variable x with degree n. It is written as an x raised to n, an minus 1 x raised to n minus 1 up to a2 x raised to 2, a1 x plus a naught. Here an minus 1, a2, a1, a naught are the coefficient, and an is not equal to 0. Now let's see the standard form, coefficient form and index form of the polynomial. Let's take the first example. Px equal to x minus 3x square plus 5 plus x raised to 4 is the polynomial in x. We can be write it in the descending powers of variable as x raised to 4 minus 3x plus x plus 5. This is called as the standard form of the polynomial. If you will observe this polynomial carefully, you will understand that there is no term who is having the power 3 of the variable. we can write it as 0x cube. Then it can be added in the polynomial and it can be rewrite as x raised to 4 plus 0x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 5. The form is called as index form of the polynomial. One can write the coefficient of the variable by considering all the missing terms in the standard form of the polynomial. For example, x cube minus 3x square plus 0x minus 8 can be written as 1 minus 3, 0 minus 8. This form of polynomial is known as the coefficient form of the polynomial. Now, polynomial 40 minus 501 can be written by using the variable y as 4y raised to 4 0y cube minus 5y square plus 0y plus 1. This form is called as the index form of the polynomial. Now let's see one more example. Pm equal to 3m raised to 5 minus 7m plus 5m cube plus 2. Then we can write the polynomial in the standard form as 3pm raised to 5 plus 5m cube minus 7m plus 2. If you will observe this polynomial carefully, the term m raised to 4 and m square are missing. So when we have to write it in the standard form, we will write it as 3m raised to 5 plus 0m raised to 4 plus 5m cube plus 0m square minus 7m plus 2. Now, this is known as the index form of the polynomial. Now suppose we want to write this polynomial in coefficient form. Then we will write it as 3, 0, 5, 0, minus 7, 2. And if you will observe the polynomial carefully, there is only one variable is present in the polynomial and the highest degree is 5. Therefore, degree of polynomial is 5.